Hey, right guys, that is the OutIn. It's the espresso maker. It is a fantastic piece of kit. I have had mine probably for a couple of months now, giving it a good old test out. None of your overnight testing here. It's brilliant, it really is. I've took it to Ireland with us. Here's some beauty shots. I wish I was back in Ireland. Just got the cold dampness of Kielder in Northumberland. But it's at the times of the year like this that your coffee shops or your little coffee vans, they stop coming out. Tourism goes down. If you want a nice cup of coffee, get something like that. It is super easy to use. You saw that, super easy. And another little thing is, I just use it with the coffee pods. The coffee pods I do recycle. I've got a little goodie bag here. You get something called wonky coffee, which is save you a fortune on buying brand names from supermarkets. Have a look online for wonky coffee. You'll get bashed, hold on, bashed little coffee things like that. They work absolutely fine. And recycle them. Yep, for the recycle, when you've put it through there, all you do is a little knife, get the coffee grinds out in your garden, that goes in your metal recycling. So everything gets used again. This will heat water up. You saw me before I carry a kettle on board. I've been out bikepacking last night, so it's lovely to be able to pull up somewhere like this on my way home and have a nice coffee, isn't it? So yeah, I've got a kettle facilities in me in my little camper. So if you've got boiling water to put into this, you can get unlimited amounts of coffee out of it. You're forgetting what to say, it's over 100 cups. If you're wanting it to boil the water itself, which it does, pour the water in, but the 50 or 80 mils, whatever you fancy, that boils the water in 3 to 4 minutes. But you will only be getting 4 to 5 cups if you do it that way. But still, for coffee on the go, it's fantastic. So OutIn, sorry it took us a while, but that has had a proper good try out. It gets a massive, look at the size of that thumb, it gets a massive thumbs up off me. I think OutIn are going to give me a discount code. I would like to thank OutIn very much for reaching out and getting in touch and sending the product. That, as I say, that has had a lot of use of me, and if you get them wonky coffee pods, it does save you a lot of money. Plus, if you don't like espresso, you can pop the same amount of water through twice, therefore getting 160 mils of not so strong coffee. And a coffee, one of these with a little dash of Baileys in as well, is quite it's quite tasty. So yes, top piece of kit. There should be a discount code either on the thumbnail or in the video description. A cracking good Christmas present for someone. This is the forest green colour, because I like the forests. Alright then, cheers!